Ladies and gentlemen, today we're on the Cathedral Estate, which is ever popular in Upminster. And I'm not going to spend too much time talking about the home on the outside because like British weather, typically it's raining. So without further ado, let me show you St Albans Avenue. London commuter, then of course we're in convenient distance to Upminster, High Street, and walking distance to the C2C station, providing easy access into London, Fenchurch Street. Now the home, downstairs, we have 3 bedrooms, but being that it's a chalet, none of those need to be a bedroom. However, 2 are being used currently as a double, with a spare room, which could be used as a study. We have a downstairs shower room, WC, and when we go upstairs, we've got 3 further bedrooms, along with a shower room, WC. Finishing downstairs, we have a lobby area, which could be used as an aromatic kitchen, or for those that like to bake. I'm going to leave you to look at the utility space along with the garage. Then I'm going to show you the rear garden. Finishing today's tour in the low maintenance rear garden. And as I'm sure you've just seen, the home is impressive, not only inside, but of course out. Starting with the 3-car drive leading to your garage. We're now in the rear garden, perfect porcelain patio, artificial lawn, railway sleepers with the shrub borders. This home is truly incredible and I don't expect it to remain on the market for long. Ladies and gentlemen, my name's Billy Gill. We are Balgores. This is St Albans Avenue, and I look forward to seeing you here very soon.